Today, we're diving into the fascinating and slightly terrifying world of the snake business. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine a world where snakes are not just dangerous reptiles but a valuable resource used to create luxurious accessories, expensive items, medicines, and even delicacies. Breeding snakes and pythons is not only exotic but also a profitable business that is gaining momentum every day and attracting more entrepreneurs worldwide. Why? Let's find out. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all the latest. Don't forget to like our video and share it with friends who might also be interested in this topic. May the year of the snake bring you happiness, joy, and prosperity. Thank you for choosing our channel, and we hope you enjoy watching. Snake skin is highly valued in the fashion world. Bags, belts, shoes, and wallets made from python, cobra, or boa skin can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Why? First, such skin is incredibly durable, elastic, and lightweight. Second, its unique pattern cannot be replicated artificially. Every snake skin accessory is a work of art that highlights the individuality of its owner. The process of treating snake skin is a true art form. Each scaly pattern is unique, and craftsmen carefully select skins to create elite products. Luxury brands are willing to pay top dollar for high-quality raw materials, making this business highly profitable. If you think snake skin is the limit, think again. Snake and python meat is another product gaining popularity in the world of haute cuisine. In Asian countries like China, Vietnam, and Thailand, snake meat is considered a delicacy and is used in traditional dishes. It's rich in protein, low in calories, and, according to gourmets, has a delicate taste reminiscent of chicken or fish. But it's not just food. In Asian culture, snake meat is considered a healing product, and now this trend has reached the West. It's used to boost immunity, improve blood circulation, and even as an aphrodisiac. Snake broth with added herbs is a true elixir of health. Another product that makes snakes a valuable resource is their venom. Snake venom is used in pharmacology to create medicines, such as painkillers and treatments for cardiovascular diseases. Extracting venom is a complex and dangerous process that requires special skills. But the cost of 1 gram of venom from certain snake species can reach hundreds of dollars. Breeding snakes and pythons is not for the faint of heart. It's a business that requires knowledge, patience, and courage. But for those willing to take the risk, it opens doors to a world of luxury, exoticism, and high income. Skin, meat, venom, every part of a snake can become a source of profit. And who knows, maybe in a few years, snake farms will become as common as cattle ranches or poultry farms. Snakes, especially pythons, are not just exotic, they're a lucrative investment. However, achieving this luxury requires a long journey. Breeding snakes for skin production is a complex and meticulous process. Snakes require specific living conditions, controlled temperature, humidity, and diet. Moreover, raising them takes years. These are not just farms, they're high-tech facilities where every detail is carefully planned. Here, snakes live in conditions as close to their natural habitat as possible. Temperature, humidity, lighting, everything is controlled using modern systems. It all starts with an egg. In incubators with an ideal microclimate, future snakes spend their first weeks of life. When the time comes, tiny snakes hatch, ready to take their first breath. From this moment, their lives are closely monitored by farmers. Feeding snakes is an art in itself. Depending on the species, their diet may include rodents, fish, or even insects. Farmers ensure that each snake receives enough food for healthy growth, and to avoid stress, enclosures are regularly cleaned and disinfected. When the snakes reach the desired size, they are sent for processing. For example, pythons reach the required size only after 3 to 4 years. But the result is worth it. The price of snake skin on the market can vary significantly depending on the species, skin quality, size, country of origin, and demand for the product. Python, one of the most popular snakes for leather production. The price per skin ranges from $50 to $300, depending on the size and quality. Cobra skin is also highly prized. Prices can range from $100 to $500. Anaconda skin is less common, but is highly prized for its unique texture. Prices can reach $500 to $1,000 per skin. Boa constrictor skin costs around $50 to $200, depending on the size. Rare snake species or skins with unique patterns can cost significantly more. For farmers, this is not just a business, it's a way of life. They care for their animals, providing them with comfortable conditions, while also contributing to the economy by producing unique products. It's a balance between respecting nature and utilizing its resources. Breeding snakes and pythons is not just exotic, it's a promising business that combines fashion, gastronomy, and innovation. If you're looking for an unusual niche for investment or simply want to learn more about the world of reptiles, this business is definitely worth your attention. What do you think about this unusual way of producing luxury and delicacies? Share your thoughts in the comments. The Jocto Uniport 4530 agricultural machine is used for spraying fields and crops. It is a self-propelled sprayer equipped with a 4,500-liter liquid storage tank and a highly efficient spray system. With a boom width of 36 or 42 meters and unitrack steering, which ensures uniform coverage of crops with the spray solution. This machine is highly maneuverable and capable of handling rough terrain thanks to its 4x4 suspension and hydrostatic transmission with intelligent traction control integrated with a 6.7 liters Cummins QSB diesel engine producing 243 horsepower. It is also equipped with modern technologies, such as a GPS system, which allows you to accurately determine the location and route of spraying. Jocto Uniport 4530 is a reliable partner and effective tool for field spraying and helps agricultural businesses and farmers increase yields and protect plants from pests and diseases. The powerful and versatile agricultural machine Holmer Terra Variant 600 is specially designed for the application of fertilizers, lime or manure. Holmer Terra Variant 600 is equipped with a high-performance Mercedes-Benz OM 502 LA3B/2 V8 engine with a capacity of 598 horsepower, Funk DF 500 transmission, 18 forward gears, 6 reverse gears allowing it to easily cope with heavy loads and rough terrain. One of the key features of the Terra Variant 600 is the Zunhammer-mounted equipment for liquid manure application, consisting of a fiberglass barrel with a capacity of 21 cubic meters, a 5.7 meters suction pipe with the possibility of rotation by 170 degrees, a 250 mm diameter suction pipeline, a 200 mm pressure pipeline and a powerful Vogelsang VX 186-368 QD quick service suction pump max 9,000 liters per minute, which allows you to work efficiently and continuously without frequent refueling. The machine is also equipped with a sophisticated spreading system that ensures accurate and even distribution of fertilizers or other materials. The Terra Variant 600 has a spacious and comfortable cab, providing excellent visibility for the operator. Equipped with advanced technology 12.1-inch touch terminal, joystick, BHR panel control terminal rotary switch, ISOBUS WTK field operator 300 task controller terminal controls, including task management, ensuring accurate and efficient operation. The machine is designed to be lightweight and maneuverable even on difficult terrain. In addition to its spreading capabilities, the Holmer Terra Variant 600 can be equipped with various additional attachments for other tasks such as plowing, cultivating or seeding. This makes it a versatile and cost-effective solution for farmers and agricultural contractors. Don't forget to subscribe to our craft channel to stay updated and share this video with your friends who might be interested in this topic. Thanks for being with us. See you soon in our next videos.